We're going to solve some equations involving cubes. Remember, a cube is the exponent of 3. And to cube something, that means we're going to take the number times itself again. So we need to do that and end up with 125. You can do trial and error. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. Well, that's way too low. Try something bigger. Maybe 3. 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27. And so you could continue. Let's try 5. 5 times 5 is 25. Times another 5 would give you 125. So x would be 5. You might remember on the last lesson, we had 2 answers. We are not going to have 2 answers on this because a negative 5 times a negative 5 would give you 25. Times another negative 5 would give you negative 125, and we don't want that. So there's our solution. You heard me go through 2 cubed was 8, 3 cubed was 27. Let's try 4. 4 times 4 is 16, times another 4 gets you to 64. But we need it to come out negative, so a would need to be negative 4. Negative 4 times negative 4, that's positive 16. And you multiply by the last negative 4 to make it negative 64. Next one, w cubed equals 30. Well, 3 times 3 times 3 equals 27, and 4 times 4 times 4 equals 64. It's between 3 and 4. However, just like before on the last lesson, we could use a square root. We can do something like that here whenever we don't just know the answer. And what it's called is a cube root. We're going to take the cube root of that number. It looks a lot like the square root symbol, but we'll have a 3 out in front. And that represents a number cubed that equals 30. If you were to type this into your calculator, you would get the decimal, and the decimal would be between 3 and 4. There you have it.